So I first learned to make infused oils probably, I don't know, maybe 17 or 18 years ago. I enjoyed making the herbally infused oils. And I felt good about the oils I made, you know. And I don't know, I think I just saw some ad that you were doing ad about making infused oils. And I just thought, well, I know how to make infused oils. I remember I had some little like thought like that, like, you know.
You know
And
that.
then right, I know that. But I think I saw a little video clip, but you were doing it in the blender, and I was like, wait, what is that? I don't know that. And I'm just so curious, right? So I can't barely stand if there's something out there that I don't know about. So I just kind of followed through, and I just thought, yeah, this looks really interesting. And so that's why I decided, already many years into making infused oils, I thought, oh, I'm going to take this course. And it was just such a beautiful course. I mean, you did such a great job of just presenting it, and just your, personality on the videos was just lovely to see. And then we had we had the talks, and then just listening to everybody else and questions. And so it felt like this very, very informed or very full class, which sort of sometimes seems like easy. Yeah, you just put some herbs in a jar and you put some oil on them and wait a while, and it like it opened up a whole other world of infused oils for me. And then you gave so many different ways to use it, ways that I hadn't really thought about before and used. So that was like a big piece too, because it was just like, wow, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, they're great to put in salves and balms and those types of things. But, you really like opened my eyes up to just, the many ways that you could use the oils.